Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your friends list unpublic, and it's really easy, so let's dive into it. Now, all you need to do is to click on your account logo, tap Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. On the left hand screen, you will click on Privacy. On the right, where it says in bold how people find and contact you, you will also see who can see your friends list, and it is set, as you can see, to public. So what you will do is you will click on Edit. Now from this information text, what basically it says is that, for example, if you select only me, then your friendship between you and that friend will still remain public, but not from you and not from your account. So it's done, but you might be wondering, well, is it safe? Let's see then. Let's check. So let's go to the settings again. And as you can see, before it was public, now it went to only me.